Playboy on this bitch, but he ain't playing.
Cut my ties with my people, now my grandfather poppin'. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. Yeah, in my head I know what I know. Oh, and I say I count 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop it, no comparisons on that time now, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shits up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Slander my name, I ain't do shit to nobody. Relationship go to the one with the problem. She want a space and she got it. Talking about babies, only got 3 children. I don't want no part and I swear I ain't kidding. Gave her my love, now she say she don't feel me. And I've been betrayed, it ain't no forgiving. Cause I'm riding a new Maybach, yeah. Walk with a whole lot of racks, yeah. Told on a whole lot of straps, yeah. Push a nigga shit way back, yeah. White cold as a bitch, no cap, yeah. Fuck nigga play, get splat, yeah. Fuck they say stay facts, yeah. Kill a whole world with these racks, yeah. I feel alright, they say that I've been wrong my whole life. Thought that was life, but since it's not, I keep my soul tight. Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'm mistake every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got my ties with my people, now my grandfather poppin'. Ran it up all by myself though, now they never gon' stop me. And I see they say I flop though. Yeah, in my head I know what I know. Oh, and I say I count 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop it, no comparisons on that time now, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now. I've been hiding from attention on the rise. I didn't respond and now they see me on the rise. I got some shits up in my head now. I'm on my shit and I'm not scared now. Tryna do better, they know that I'm with it. I kill every nigga, I listen to critics. I see what they saying and I know I'm not tripping. How the fuck can you just put me in that position? They posting that shit tryna send me to prison. How the fuck do I post to take care of my children? I be flipping that money and stack to the ceiling. Why the fuck should I care and I know that I'm winning? Let a nigga come try me, it's gon' be a murder. How the fuck I'ma die with no snake in my circle? How the fuck he gon' do when this nigga a serpent? He claim me a boss, but this nigga a word. If I nut in that bitch, it's gon' come cause I'm further. That's as far as they go, it won't go any further. Riding the car on the back of the curb. If I beat it the fuck, man, I might as well go. Cause I'm riding a new Maybach, yeah. Walk with a whole lot of racks, yeah. Told on a whole lot of straps, yeah. Push a nigga shit way back, yeah. White cold as a bitch, no cap, yeah. Fuck nigga play, get splat, yeah. Fuck they say stay facts, yeah. Kill a whole world with these racks, yeah. I feel alright, they say that I've been wrong my whole life. Thought that was life, but since it's not, I keep my soul tight. Cause I came from the bottom, can't make you forever be with somebody. To the day I'm not hurt, I'ma stack every dollar. I'ma blow out the brain when I feel that I got 'em. I count 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop it, no comparisons on that time now, baby. And oh yeah, I cannot keep it off my mind. Now oh yeah, they cannot seem to keep up now.
GG 4L. Who is this? This Gerardo, what you smoking? All gelato. I got bitches and they model. You bitch swallow, she need goggles. God damn, look at my pockets. Look like I just hit the lotto. Pull up valet, let them pocket. Baby, I can pay your condo. Yeah, I use these bad heels. I solve a problem, pay her bills. I'm being real, girl, I'm too chill. No, baby, tell me how you feel. I got hitters and they kill. No, I still be in the field. No, I be with them gorillas. Toe banana cliff for real. Got back up, I took a fall. Lord, nigga, my money tall. I'm that nigga in DC, yeah, bitch, I ball like John Wall. Look at me, I'm living life. Remember them nights with chopping hard. Remember them nights I had to ride. Remember them nights I used to stop. Remember that night I saw that J.O. Then a fish came round my house. Remember ain't nobody believing me till I showed them what I'm about. Remember I used to pour that lean up till I fucking blacked out. This floor homie in that trap house with them fucking racks out.
I'm ballin' hard and water, I'm feeling like Coach Carter. They say the life that I'm living, I might not see tomorrow. I had to go out and get it, cause I ain't got no father. I know I gotta stay committed, that gon' take me farther. Y'all know this lean when I'm sipping my P.O. think this box. Upgraded from a revolver, Harlem's feeling my chop. I'm tryna face all my problems, I need to see a doctor. I'm tryna face all my problems, I need to see a doctor.
Chicago streets, late night tryna catch. Add to my boot if I need a good batch. Don't wanna hit that, sliding that cat. It can't be peace, cause you know it's that. You ain't in the streets and I noticed that. You left my side when I was under arrest. You left my side when I was under stress. You turned your back, so I know you ain't shit. How you gon' lie, roll on with the bitch? Quando sit red when I know he a crip. Come to my crib, can't come with a bitch. Draco shells, they come with a kick. We know you told her that little shit stick. You the one know I had a gun in the whip. You the one know I had a gun on my hip. I slap on floors. Shoot, that's where I'm from when I grew up and I couldn't ignore it. Some nights I was getting too bad at myself cause I couldn't record. And I couldn't make it to your funeral, I said my regards. Can't get out the roof with my 2 fingers, fuck the law.
I'm ballin' hard and water, I'm feeling like Coach Carter.